Hey, it's Mara here, and I've got some exciting news for you today. I literally built my own free affiliate marketing training course for you. Basically, because I was kind of sick and tired of seeing people just give out BS advice, most of it being just go to ClickBank or JVZoo or Warrior Plus, grab your affiliate link, and just send people there. No, first of all, you never send people directly to a sales page, okay? First of all, you make maybe one sale out of 100 people that you're sending there. Number two, you will have your Facebook and Google ad accounts banned right away. Okay. Even on Facebook posts, they don't like a direct link to a sales page. So you need to at least have sales funnel or lead capture page. Ideally, you also want to give something away, like a free report or whatever, something free. People like free. My course is free. in exchange for their email. Then your conversion rate goes from 1% to up to 40% or even more. And then third thing is you want to have or at least 7 email sequences followed up, telling them about features or why you got it or how much money you've earned with this system or course or whatever, right? Just reminders, because it takes the average person 7 times to see something before they will buy. So, and then that can go boost your conversion rate up to 70%. So out of those 100 people, if you're sending them straight to the sales page, 1%. Landing page, especially with a free offer, 40%. Landing page, free report, and email follow-ups up to 70%. So out of those 100 people, 70 people might buy compared to 1. All right. So hence why I built my own training course. So I want to give you a little tour inside, show you what you're going to get with a little bit of coin. That's my business. Free affiliate marketing training. So I'm going to give you a backstage pass, and you even get 35 to 40 page monthly digital marketing newsletter every month for free, which I usually charge $10 a month for. Okay, so you're also getting that. See what I mean? When you over deliver and give lots more value than people expect, then you can literally get closer to the number one thing you want to be as an affiliate marketer, which is the KLT factor. Know, like, and trust. Once someone knows, likes, and trusts you, there's a much greater chance of them buying what you're promoting, especially if they see you use it yourself successfully. And if it's like make money online, that you're actually making money from those systems or whatever you're using, okay? So we covered traffic, email marketing, sales funnels, 5 done-for-you systems that are all multiple income stream that pretty much all have passive income, like monthly recurring passive income in them as well. And you don't have to do any of that. Just have to focus on traffic, and I've got you covered for free and paid traffic resources as well. So, shall we do the backstage tour? All right, let's go. Okay, so you can either click the link below or just go to littleBitofcoin.com. All right, so this is the course, and this is like the homepage, obviously. I never like to make you leave empty-handed. So that was the newsletter. Okay, so this is basically what you're going to learn, how to do affiliate marketing the right way, free and paid traffic sources to getting leads, how to set up your email marketing campaigns, how to build highly converting sales funnels. And if you'd like to fast track your online success by using the 5 multiple income stream done for you affiliate marketing systems inside the course that I use, and I have made money from all of them, and they can each be set up literally within minutes. So that's why I use them myself. Okay, and as I was saying, you'll also get free gifts, bonuses, and my newsletter every month. So all you have to do, these are some of my latest earnings from the Done For You systems inside. Okay, so all you have to do is click on here, join for free today. Because I'm already logged in, yours will be like you just, put in your email and create a password. So some people who are like, oh, I keep getting an error, it's because they didn't put their password in. So you have to put your password in twice. So if you're having problems logging in or registering, make sure your passwords match, because that's usually what it is. Okay, so once you've registered for the first time, then you can come back and log in anytime you like. You have literally free lifetime access for this course. One day I might charge for it, but if you get it now, I will never, you'll be grandfathered in as free member. Okay, so don't worry about that. So I recommend you watching the intro video, and then basically, so this is what you're gonna get. So affiliate marketing training. So this is like the basics, and then sales funnel training. So there's 3 videos for each of these, done by my associates because I'm busy. So I do the rest of the videos, but they cover all of these ones. And it's always good to have complete experts help you out. Okay, I want to teach you the right ways how to do affiliate marketing. And then digital marketing tools. As I was saying earlier, the minimum you need is some sort of website builder or sales funnel builder and email autoresponder. Those are the minimum. Okay, so you'll see the ones that I use myself and have been since 2017. And then these are the 5 done for you affiliate marketing systems. Okay, for anything that I recommend, whether that be traffic sources or done for you systems, I try and test them myself and start making money from them before I ever promote them. I also either get to know the owners through Facebook, or I already do know them. So like for the RPM and the MAB, I personally know James, the creator of both of those. Okay, I know the creator of this one, and HNL I do now, as well as List Infinity. So for the W affiliate marketing systems, rest assured, I literally try and test these out and make money first before I ever promote them or recommend them. Okay, because I like to keep a good reputation, because I'm an honest person in real life. So why shouldn't I be online? Okay, so there's no BS with me. Okay, tell it as it is, and that's it. So all 5 of these, my money where my mouth is, and I have made money from all of them as well. So you just go to each one, and there's the video that I do. Okay, then there's a whole page of free and paid traffic resources, again, that I've used, I've tested, I know they work. This is a free affiliate marketing masterclass, where you also get $197 a month free software for attending. And that is from James, who is a good friend of mine, and he makes over $1 million a year with affiliate marketing. So he knows his stuff. And he also created RPM and MAB as well. And then you get your free monthly newsletter. So you just click on here and you can get the months that you might have missed as well. Okay, so middle of the month, I add the new one out. And then top affiliate secrets. This is basically 10 of the top affiliates in Builderall, who I've been using and certified partner with since 2017. So this is a course that you can learn the secrets of the top 10 affiliates who are all 6- and 7-figure earners. So it's an additional course, completely optional. And then of course you can contact me at any time. Just click on here or reply to any of my emails once you register. So that is really the course, free course. So all this training is absolutely free. The done for you systems are completely optional. I've included them because that's pretty much what I do for affiliate marketing, is I use all 5 of them, and they're all multiple income. Most of them have passive income, and the MAB is high ticket. So you can make anywhere from $750 to $3,750 in one sale commissions. Okay, check those out. So so for all the systems, I show you inside my dashboard generally how much I've made with them. So they're all legit. So what do you got to lose? Click the link below and learn affiliate marketing for free. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, because I have videos coming out all the time. All right, have yourself an awesome day. Cheers.